Hello guys and welcome to another video from the Black Neuron channel. In this video we are going to see AI definition and some of its applications in the real world. So let's begin and define artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is the intersection between math and computer science. Artificial intelligence is the theory and development of computer systems able to simulate human actions. What do we mean by simulating human action? Actually, we mean by this making system that talk and understand human speech, see like human, think and act like human, and do all the stuff that human do. And like this, we put human intelligence into machine. And now let's move to the application of artificial intelligence in the real world. In social media, Facebook and Twitter use AI to decide what content to present in their feeds to different audiences. Image recognition and sentiment analysis to ensure that content of the appropriate mood is being served. In transportation, Google finds the fastest route by processing the traffic data. In daily life, natural language processing. We carry around powerful NLP algorithms in our phones and computers such as Google Traduction. Object detection. In our mobile phone, we use face detection also in Facebook. In health, cancer detection, Alzheimer detection, and patient care. In finance, trading algorithms, fraud detection, and personal finance. In energy, oil and gas exploration. In government, defense, data science, safety and security, smarter cities. And in transport, autonomous cars, smart parking, and tracking the cars for securities. So, as you can see, AI is dominating everything. It's like the electricity of the 21st century. It's time for you guys to be part of this, or you will miss the train and be dinosaurs. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and see you in the next video.